WorldRemit Transfer Under Review Fix. If your WorldRemit Transfer is under review, do not worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check the transfer status. Log into WorldRemit and open your transfer history to see the review status. Step 2. Look for verification request. Check your email or app notifications and submit any requested documents. Step 3. Confirm your payment method. Make sure your payment was successful and not pending or reversed. Step 4. Review recipient details. Verify the recipient's information to avoid delays. Step 5. Allow review processing time. Reviews can take longer due to checks, weekends, or international rules. Step 6. Contact WorldRemit support. If the review takes too long, contact WorldRemit support for assistance. Tips: submit clear documents, don't resend transfers, and ensure your details match your ID. And that's it. You now know how to fix a WorldRemit transfer under review.